If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Binance, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Follow these steps to ensure you can cancel any unwanted recurring payments. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Start by visiting the Binance website or opening the Binance app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the subscription settings. Once logged in, locate the profile icon or your account settings. From there, find the subscription or recurring payments section to view your active subscriptions. Step 3. Review active subscriptions. In the subscription settings, you will see a list of all active recurring charges. Take a moment to review each one and identify which subscriptions you wish to cancel. Step 4. Cancel the desired subscription. Select the subscription you want to stop. Look for an option that says Cancel or Stop Payment. Click on it and follow any prompts to confirm the cancellation. Step 5. Verify cancellation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any unwanted recurring charges on Binance. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Binance support for help.